Para sa mga concrete na medyo degraded, yung medyo luma na at medyo maraming crack, we would recommend Hyperblock PU100 and reinforced with cloth P60. No? This will reinforce yung mga movements and crack na nangyayari. Hyperblock PU100, which is 100% polyurethane. At the same time, it's solvent-based and aromatic. May tendency siya magkaroon ng yellowing kapag na-exposed. Kaya kailangan niya po maglagay ng top coat to protect your waterproofing. Yung top coat na to ay hard para hindi naman magasgas. Ayan, gagamit tayo ng abrasion resistant na polyurethane, which is Floortec Shield. Yan naman ang bagay to protect our Hyperblock PU100. Ang consumption naman ng Hyperblock PU100 is na 1.4 kilograms per square meter. Ayan, to achieve 1 mm. The packaging of Hyperblock PU100 is 25 kg. Yan ang minimum na kailangan mong gamitin para ma-achieve natin yung 1 mm thickness. Pag hindi nyo na-achieve yung 1 mm, hindi niya ma-achieve lahat ng mga nakasulat sa technical datasheet. Hyperblock PU100 can withstand 10 years na hindi nagbabago ang kanyang mechanical properties and chemical properties. To remind you lang when we say tumatagal ng 10 years, wag natin isasama dito yung mga structural cracks. Ang ibig lang sabihin po na tumatagal ang material is yung kung ano nakalagay sa technical datasheet, dapat it should perform what is indicated sa technical datasheet. Yun ang ibig sabihin na tumatagal ang produkto ng 10 years.